We certainly appreciate the time that you gave to come out tonight and participate in this process.
Current and former Berry Farm residents filled the nearby school gym to hear the latest on plans to redevelop the 75-year-old public housing project into a mixed-income community, including a 2-acre park, retail space, and more than 1,000 new units, including affordable housing for low-income residents. The redevelopment is part of the district's New Communities initiative with the D.C. Housing Authority.
We've got townhomes and apartment buildings, market rate and affordable, so that a whole bunch of different people can live here.
For some, it's their first look at the process of moving elsewhere during the redevelopment. For others like Latasha Young, who've already moved, it's their first time invited back to weigh in on the plan.
But I think it's great. I really do. Because Berry Farm needs a new look.
Anyone who was living at Berry Farm on or since October 11, 2012, and is compliant with their lease, has a right to live in the new development. It will be built in phases, so everyone cannot return at once. On this night, residents vote on which of them will get to return first.
The importance of that vote is to make sure that there is transparency in this process. We want the residents to make the decision, when there is one, about who should come back and the order in which they should come back.
Oh, no, I'm not with that.
The redevelopment plans have been in the works for more than a decade, as the conditions at Berry Farm continue to deteriorate. Nella Peterson, who served on an early resident advisory committee, will be glad to see these decaying buildings gone, along with the ills that come with concentrated poverty.
Hopefully with the redevelopment, everybody can be joined together and come together as one. That's my dream.
Does anybody have any questions so far? Yes, sir.
D.C. Housing Authority officials are committed to making that dream come true. For the D.C. Housing Authority, I'm George Washington III.